Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to show you these quick, simple, cute 7 hairstyles that you can do with your short or shoulder length kinky twist, medium size. You can also do these with longer braids too. They'll work just fine. I've had my braids for 8 days now, and I think they're aging pretty well. To achieve these styles, I used rubber bands, hair tie, pins, and really, I think it's optional to sleek down your edges or lay down your baby hair. It's really up to you. I did go ahead and put some edge control on my edges, but I definitely did not go crazy with that. But if you do it, what I used was the edge control, and then I have a satin scarf that I use to set my edges for about 15 minutes. You can also use a setting strip. So let's get started. For the first style, part your braids down the middle, then start rolling and tucking, using as many hairpins as needed to secure the braids down. Once you get behind your ear, then that should be enough. Move on to the next section and do the same step. I really like the way this hairstyle frames my face. For the second style, you are going to roll and tuck, but instead of parting down the middle, you're going to part down one side. It doesn't really matter, just pick the side that favors you the most, and then you just roll tuck and use a hairpin to secure. Actually, you probably need more than one hairpin. But yes, I really like this one too. It's simple and quick. Here's another great one. So you're gonna part your braids down on one side, whichever one is favorable to you, and then pick a few braids on each end, tie it in the back with a rubber band to secure your hair. And I love this style because it's really quick and easy to do. This fourth style is so fun and it gives you that full hawk look. So you're gonna start by sectioning your hair into 3 separate sections as shown, and I just used a rubber band to tie the different sections. If you have larger braids, you may need to use a hair tie. So then what I do is I connect the first section. After tying it, I connect the first section to the second, and then the second to the third, and then I just do a large twist in the back, which I secure with the rubber band. Now after doing that, I just roll the large twist braid back and used hairpins to secure the braids down. So just use as many hairpins as needed, and that's it. It's such a fun style and I really love it. Here's number 5. It's another one of my favorite, and just gives you a clean, sophisticated look. So I just use a hair tie and pull my hair all into one large section. Now it's up to you how high you want this bun to be, and then once you do that, you start rolling and tucking, making a donut shape. And I use another hair tie to secure it, and then hairpins. Yeah, and that's it. Very cute, right? So this style is a bit similar to the previous one, but with a little twist. First, you're going to remove a few of your braids in the front as shown, and then make a high ponytail. Once that's done, you're going to swoop the hair that you left out back and connect it to the ponytail. And then I find the center of my ponytail and start rolling and tucking. I prefer to use another hair tie to secure it. I just feel like it's faster, but you could also use hairpins to secure it. I use both, like hair ties and hairpins if needed. This time I didn't need the hairpin, but yes, it's very cute and I love it. This final style is another fun and sophisticated one. So you're gonna part your braid off center and then start swooping it to the side like I'm doing and using hairpins to secure it. And as you can see, I had some that were not secured, so I kept using my hairpins till I felt comfortable with the look. And this in itself is a look if you want to leave it like that, but I was going for something else. So then I used a hair tie and then did a low ponytail. So once that's done, I started doing a roll and band to secure. You can also use hairpins. I hope you get to enjoy these styles as much as I did wearing them. They really just took less than 5 minutes to do each. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And please like, subscribe. See you next time.